So today we're going to be jumping into Canva and removing the background from your logo. It's a very quick method and very, very effective. And it's very important that you've got different versions of your logo. So without further ado, let's jump right in. We are going to go to canva.com. We are going to open up a blank logo document or any type of document that you want. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to upload, and you're going to upload your file. So you are wanting your logo document there, and then your next step is you're going to go over to background remover. This is a premium version because it's got the little crown next to it, but there are other ways of removing background for free, so stay tuned for another video of mine to teach you how to do that. Background remover removes the background like that. Background has been removed from your logo. Once you're done, you can go over to share, download, make sure that the correct page is selected. You are now going to make sure that you download it with a transparent background. Make sure that that is ticked. That is a premium feature as well. We have found the premium feature of Canva to be very worthwhile. There are other ways to do it. If you don't have this paid subscription, stay tuned for another video where I'll be teaching you about that. Okay, so once you've got that, you can then test it out. We're going to go over to uploads, upload file, and you will now have a logo with a transparent background that you can then test and figure out which backgrounds are going to work best for you. Maybe you'll need something nice and dark. That might work better. So that is a really good tool for testing out colors, as well as just being able to have a transparent background that you can save to your computer and then apply to various different platforms. So there we go. We've got a nice clean background now. Your background has been removed from your logo and you are good to go on various different platforms. Keep an eye out for a video where we teach you how to do this for free.